Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from iPhone 13 Pro Max to laptop. It doesn't matter if you have iPhone 13 Pro Max or 14 or 15 or 16 or any iPhone. Go to your laptop, open any browser. In the Google search engine, you have to search for PearDrop. Click on PearDrop, click on the top link. This website will open. Now go to your iPhone and open this same website on your Safari browser, or if you're using any browser on your iPhone, you have to open that same website, pairdrop.net. Once you also open the link on your iPhone, then you'll be able to see your iPhone on this section. Your iPhone will also see your laptop. For instance, my laptop name is Gray Mandrill and my iPhone name is Scarlet Thrush. It will give you random names. So what you have to do, if you want to transfer from your laptop to your iPhone, click on your iPhone button and select any file from your file browser, and you will get a notification on your iPhone. All you have to do is click on the accept button and your file will be transferred. As you can see, the file transfer has been completed. So if you want to send anything from your iPhone to your laptop, click on your PC or laptop. As you can see, it is showing me Gray Mandrill. I will click on it and then select any file from my gallery, from my file browser, or anywhere else. And then after selecting that, I will successfully receive that file on my laptop. So that's how you can send or transfer files from iPhone 13 Pro Max to laptop. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.